Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host, Crypto Chester. In today's video, we are talking everything WIF, dogwifhat. Okay, so just losing the market cap of $957 million currently standing, but just lost $1 billion quite aggressively here over the last sort of month or so. We did basically get back there here, back on the 13th, which wasn't too long ago. 6 days ago to be exact. Okay, we have seen a bit of a pullback since then, but in the last sort of 7 days, it is looking a bit hopeful. Okay, we're looking a bit hopeful. We did see the market cap actually increase from 860 million up to around 978 as the high. So it is interesting to see how this thing is running right now. Not breaking highs in terms of this uptrend, but it is seeing a bit of life, considering we were down roughly a $700 million market cap not long ago, roughly at the start of September, right? So there is room for growth here, and I do think this asset is still technically an underpriced asset. Okay, if we look at this from like an all-time perspective, this thing is seriously underpriced. You can see it actually got all the way to $4 billion in market cap, all-time high 4.58 billion. So that is literally over a 4x on your investment by getting involved with this thing now and basically chasing this to all-time highs. This coin is far from dead. When the markets take off, WIF will take off with it. Naturally, it does happen. Happens literally every time. So a $1 billion market cap investment for this right now is still an absolute steal, in my opinion. Let me know what you think of that in the comments here, and whether you think that we are going to see more than a 4% gain here in the next day. Okay, so like 7 days, well, the last 7 days we're up 7.93%, and in the last month up 14%, in the last year down 36%. So it's obviously a massive opportunity to be getting involved with it right now. Let's go over to the chart and let's see where this thing is going and how we can essentially be trading this as a community. Obviously not financial advice, you guys have got to do your own research, but let's see if there's any sort of very obvious live trades that we can be getting involved with here, and looking for potential setups. Okay, so the first thing that is screaming out to me would clearly be this level of support on this lower side. Okay, there's resistance here as well, and there's also lovely levels of support that have been used here, right? And also, if you look at the top side, we've clearly got another level of resistance on this top side, creating what is called this lovely range. Okay, so we're actually trading right now in a range here for WIF between 1217 and basically 79 cents. Okay, on the lower side 76. So this range is has been pretty prominent since May. Okay, so if you're basically longing this area and then you're shorting or selling at this area, you're making money the whole way through. Okay, this range can be really profitable if you can play it right. But the thing that I would be really looking for now here on the macro for WIF would be either a move to the upside out of the range or a move to the downside out of the range. Okay, this is called a breakout scenario here, and seeing something like that come into fruition would be pretty good. You can see we do have mass sell orders here on the order book, and usually when we do lose this this pretty pinnacle point here, it can be quite catastrophic to the downside in terms of dumps. Okay, so if we do lose that with this sell order, I think there's a nice pocket for roughly around a 3.82% short position here. Very simple, very easy. We are a little bit away from that right now, unfortunately. We're talking literally a little bit more than that, actually, around a 10% move to the downside here. So what is likely to happen is we dump down, we come down, we test this area, we pump back up, then we come down again, retest it, and then potentially break it. Okay, if that does come into fruition, and it does happen, then there is a nice 3.82% there for WIF. If we're looking for a bigger scale move, as I was talking about, out of this range, we're looking for big sort of measure moves. Okay, these are the measure moves that we're looking out for here, guys. Absolutely huge. And just quickly, obviously, we're looking for money-making opportunities, guys. Let me talk to you very quickly about a pre-sale that is catching a lot of traction, catching a lot of eyes. Okay, it's called Maxi Doge. It's like a brand new Doge meme coin that has had insane amounts of effort put into this. The team behind this have really gone all out and pulled out all the stops, and it looks really good from just a general project creation standpoint here. interactive website as well. It's catching a lot of traction currently with the raise of $2.3 million being mentioned in some very, very major news PR stations as well. KOLs are talking about this. $2.3 million raised. It's had its audits done, so it means it's rug proof as well. Great narrative, great meme, looking really, really strong. So if you guys do want to get involved with this and not miss this massive, massive explosion of a meme coin and this potential pump, obviously do your own research, guys, all that good stuff. There's a lot of meat on the bone, actually. There's a lot more stuff going on. If you guys want to check out the white paper and all that other stuff, all I'm saying is do your own research. Link is in the description. Go check that out, okay? Now back to the WIF chart. Let's look at these breakout scenarios here because we've got a measure move to the upside, which was worth roughly around 50%, and then a measure move to the downside here, which is worth roughly around 33%. So whichever one favors the direction in terms of the breakout of this range, that is where I'm going to be putting my money and basically exiting with a nice healthy gain here, depending on the direction of WIF. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.